Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable GitHub Actions to deploy to Azure VM. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your GitHub account. Navigate to the repository you want to use for the deployment. Click on the Settings tab at the top of the repository page. In the left sidebar, find and click on Secrets and Variables. Select Actions from the drop-down menu. Click on the New Repository Secret button. Name your first secret Azure_client_ID. Input the Azure Client ID as the value. Click that Add Secret button to save it. Next, create another secret named Azure_client_secret. Enter your Azure Client secret in the value field. Again, click Add Secret to save it. Now create a third secret named Azure_subscription_ID. Input your Azure subscription ID as the value. Save this secret by clicking the Add Secret button. Create a fourth secret named Azure_tenant_ID. Input your Azure tenant ID in the value field. Save the secret by clicking Add Secret. Next, create a new file in your repository called .github/workflows/deploy. Begin by defining the workflow with the line name, Deploy to Azure VM. Set the trigger for the workflow by adding on, push, dot. Specify the branch. Set up the Azure login command using the secrets created previously. Add the command az login service principal $secrets.azure_client_id p$. Name the step Deploy application to Azure VM. Define the command to execute your deployment. For example, use az VM run command invoke. Specify the VM name and resource group in the command. Set parameters to include the command you wish to execute on the VM. Once the YAML file is complete, save your changes. Commit the changes to the main branch. Check the Actions tab in your GitHub repository to monitor the deployment process. Adjust any syntax or configuration issues as needed. After deployment, verify the application is running on your Azure VM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.